So today I'm showing you how to make this quick and easy, budget-friendly Singapore noodles. This is super duper yummy. We're going to enjoy every part of this video. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is to get ready your protein, and today I'm using beef. So into this I just season with some coriander, seasoning cube and fresh ginger. I also add in just some baking soda. So what the baking soda is going to do is just to help tenderize the meat. It's going to make the meat get soft quicker, so that's why I'm adding the baking soda. So mix everything together and place in the refrigerator for an hour or overnight so that it can intensify the flavor of your meat. So the next thing I'm prepping for is my sausage. So I'm just cutting this into strip, so you can decide to skip the sausage if you're not a fan of sausage. Is it sausage? Is it hot dog? So whichever one you call it, sausage, hot dog. So that's what I'm cutting here. So just cut it into strip and set aside. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. So do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. Do not forget to like and comment below. I would love to hear from you. You can also share this delicious recipe by clicking on the share button. Thank you so much. So the next thing I'm prepping for is my carrot. I'm just cutting it into strips. So it is highly recommended when making Singapore noodles to cut all your vegetables in strip. Like I said, highly recommended, but you can cut it into whatever shape that you want, but it's visually appealing, so just cut it into strip. So I also have here some bell pepper, making use of the red one. You can decide to use any color of bell pepper of your choice.
We're like stars lighting up the way. Every chop, every sizzle harmonizes the mood. Teresa's kitchen is the heart of good food. Teresa whips it up with rhythm and flair, a sprinkle of love and a dash of care. Feel the Afro beats echo in the air. Cooking's an art when Teresa is there.
So another vegetables I'm making use of is cabbage. So that's it. You just cut it into strip as well. So the next thing you want to do is just to heat up some oil, then add in your seasoned beef. So just cook this until it is soft and tender. So like I said, the addition of the baking soda is going to help tenderize your meat faster. So if you want to speed up the cooking process, so make sure that you add that baking soda in your beef. This will help to speed up the process very fast. So once your meat is soft and tender and brown, scoop out and set aside.
It's the heart of good food.
So add in there your sausage or hot dog and fry this until it is a bit crispy and set these aside as well.
Teresa's got the flavor that'll steal the whole glow. Mix it, chop it, stir it with a little bit of spice. Every dish a masterpiece, cook in paradise. Teresa.
So after all that is done, the next thing I want to get ready is my noodles. So this is it. This is the rice noodles. So I'm just following the instruction from the pack. It said I should soak it for 3 to 5 minutes. So make sure you follow the instruction that's written in the pack. So I'm just deciding to cut it because it is long. So you can decide to cut it, you can decide to leave it as a whole, but it is super long, so I just went with cutting it. So this is not improper like when it comes to spaghetti. So it's usually improper, like it's termed not a good etiquette when you cut your spaghetti. Against the etiquette where you cut your spaghetti, but that's not the case of this noodle. So you can cut it, you can leave it as a whole, just to you. So after 3 to 5 minutes of soaking, I'm just going to drain the water out and put it when it is needed in my food. So the next thing I'm just doing, I just heated some oil. I added in some onions, add in some ginger and garlic. Make sure that you add a not enough ginger because it is highly needed indeed. We're going to love the flavor that it adds. So I added our carrot, added some yellow pepper, chopped one, because I'm a true Nigerian, so I needed to add pepper just to give it some spice or just a hit of hotness. So I added in my bell pepper as well. So just mix together.
Ballet, dusting powder like stars lighting up the way. Every chop, every sizzle harmonizes the mood.
So add in your sausage, your hot dog, whichever one you call it, and your beef. Add in some curry. Make sure you add in some curry because that's what is going to give you that vibrant color. So add in some soy sauce. So I do not have oyster sauce. So if you have oyster sauce, add it in there. It's just going to elevate the flavor, but I didn't have oyster sauce, so that's why I didn't add it. So add in your cabbage as well. Mix everything together until it is well combined, and add in your noodles. Oh my goodness, look at that, looking super delicious. So mix up everything together until it has been well mixed, so like everything is well mixed. So make sure you mix it together so you can carry two spatula to incorporate everything together. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you have and you haven't clicked on the like button, do not forget to just click on the like button and comment below. I would love to hear from you. So I added more soy sauce, and I also just add just a bit of water because it was dry. If you want yours dry, you can leave that, but if you want it just a little bit wet, you can add even meat stock as well. So I just added little water in there and then mix up everything together. Added some fried egg, and this is compulsory. Add in some sesame seed oil. So this sesame seed oil is homemade, so go and check my other previous video. I showed how to make your sesame seed oil at home. It is definitely going to elevate your food. So mix up everything together. I see this smells so delicious. It tastes super delicious, and it's very easy and budget friendly. So you can add more things to this, but like I said, this is a budget friendly recipe, so that's why I didn't add so much. So that's it. Our Singapore noodles is ready. This tastes super yummy. This is not a food for to add in a plate. This is just to eat it in the pot kind of food. It's super delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.
Tradition with small finesse. Her kitchen be like food fortress. She dey cook with soul.